Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can get a clear or a transparent taskbar in Windows 10, and I believe this works in Windows 11. So what you're going to go to the Microsoft Store. So this is an authorized Microsoft software, doesn't have any bugs, it's completely open source. So you're going to go and search translucent TB. Click on get and install. Once you have clicked on install, it just powers on automatically. It doesn't get so much of your CPU or anything. So testing it out. As you click and put an app on full screen mode, it doesn't seem transparent at the bottom because it doesn't expand to the bottom. But if you are dragging an application through, you can see that the transparent effect is in work. So that's how you create a transparent taskbar in Windows 10. See you in the next one.